Sam.
And Phil.
I think he wants to do this on his own. In another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays. And Phil wants to talk about Facebook groups. So over to you, Phil.
Yeah, my Facebook group is called Firewave World Class Lead Generation. That's the only group you need to be in. Don't be any other
So
group.
what we want to talk about today is how to use Facebook groups to be able to grow your agency effectively and be able to get the best out of them, and which ones we would recommend other than Phil's. So firstly, how to use them. Well, don't stalk. Don't just sort of lie in wait waiting for content to appear. Create content, add your voice to everybody else's, give tips and advice, be supportive to people, because that's how Facebook groups should be used. They shouldn't be used just to troll each other, which has happened to me recently, where I said, yeah, I've got this, I'll help you, and somebody else went, well, show it in the group, and they just got a bit trolly. So if you got some people that are trolly in a group, the group just doesn't gel really, and you haven't got a nice atmosphere. So be nice and supportive and help and comment and like and just lend your voice to things.
Yeah, well, they're the same reasons. So some groups that we would definitely recommend if you're not already in, definitely get in. The first one is Mr. Powers.
Yeah.
Trying
Perry.
to remember the name of the Power Group.
I think it's called Power Bespoke Group, or anyway, it's Power Bespoke. So if you look up,
Yeah, and I recommend that for anything strategic, for sales definitely.
Yeah.
Anything if you're looking to go down the route of self-employed
Agents,
anything in that. Perry
he talks
does
about business structure, doesn't he? As
yeah,
well?
structure is good as well. He does lives in his pajamas.
Yeah.
With
They're always worth a watch.
yeah, so definitely get in there and ask questions, comment, etc.
Yeah. And he's quite active in there as well himself, which really helps. If the owner of the group is active, that really helps.
The second one is our friend John Paul.
Yeah.
I say friend, I've never met him.
He's
I will
great.
meet him soon.
He's fantastic.
But
yeah, he's absolutely brilliant. He's got a huge amount of experience.
He
talks a lot about. He's got a new book.
Apparently it's free as well.
Oh,
Amazon released it, but actually some people have bought it.
Oh gosh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, he talks a lot about mindset, which is obviously hugely important, and consumer psychology. So very clever guy, actually, John Paul. If you've never met him.
And leadership. As well.
And leadership. Okay, so that's John Paul's group. What's it called? We don't know. Probably should
Research
have had these.
this,
I know. Should have had them in advance.
John's group.
And then there's Matt
Giggs'
Giggs' group. What's Matt's called?
Yes, the Power.
Have you even got power in the title?
These links will be in the notes.
Yeah. Tilly, make sure these links are in the notes, please.
Yes.
So Matt Giggs' group is good.
Again, leadership and mindset.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, and he talks a lot about transformation actually, because he has transformed himself, his own health. Yeah. And he talks about things like going on holiday with no phone.
That
was really interesting.
I tried it for about an hour.
But the idea is you don't take it in the first place.
No.
So yeah, there's lots of good groups out there. Have a little bit of research yourself. Don't troll. Do be supportive. And then let me tell you about our groups, because we've got a group each, and we're each supportive of the others' groups. These are both free groups. We do have some paid groups as well.
Yeah. So my group is better,
obviously,
than
it's full of all my clients, so it's obviously going to be great.
It's not anymore.
And it's called.
Moving on. It's called Firewave World Class Lead Generation for Estate Agents, and the point of it is purely lead gen. So where the other groups are great for strategy and for leadership, structure, lettings, John Paul's group lettings. This is purely for lead generation, and every week or so, every week at the moment, I can't commit to that. We have a video from an expert. So we've had Nick James. So if you don't know who Nick is, look him up.
Fantastic direct mail expert.
Yeah, direct mail. Ollie Luke, who's again direct mail expert, and got loads of other different things going on. We've got Chris Taylor coming this week. He's Instagram. He's brilliant.
Instagram guru, he is.
Yes, we've got YouTube for settings, etc. And
there's some great content coming, haven't you?
Talk about direct mail, content ideas, etc.
So that's yours. So Firewave. We'll put the link in the group anyway, on the comments. And mine is just called Ask Sam, which is nice and simple. So every Wednesday in my Ask Sam, you'll see one of these videos, Whiteboard Wednesday videos. I also put in here any events, free webinars, any challenges I'm doing, any free resources. That's where you'll find that stuff. It's a little bit broader than lead generation, but marketing is still at its core as well. And
so we know there are a few groups. They do all have slightly different purposes. So
So don't just choose one, choose a few, find your feet, see what works for you, and see where you're going to get the best out. But you'll always get the best out when you put the best in. So it needs a little bit of effort from you too.
Yeah.
So we'll see you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye.